For me, every human, regardless of gender or sexuality, are entitled to rights.
Human rights are the rights of every individual in this world.
Di ko alam yan. Anong pagkaintindi yun?
So, kung ganun te, para sa'yo, sino dapat magturo?
Magulang or teacher.
Okay. Yung guro mo ba, naturo yun sa'yo?
Siguro. Kaso lang, nakalimutan ko na si matanda.
Yung magulang mo, te
Basic human rights for me include the right to life, shelter, food, clothing, the right to be respected, the right to be free from discrimination, threat, or torture, the right to security and privacy, the right to freely express myself, and the right to due process of law.
Are to be educated and be provided with my daily needs by my parents.
Karapatan kong magtrabaho para lang mabuhay sa sarili. Karapatan ako sumunod sa utos.
All this I am freely exercising now.
Yes, of course, because I am being properly educated and I am being properly provided by my parents.
Wala naman. Kung nasa tama lang ang gagawin mo, so walang pipigil sa'yo.
And no violations against any of my rights were committed.
No, I haven't experienced any human right violations.
Meron.
Bakit daw?
Kasi pagkaintindi nila, pag mayroon kang gagawin, halimbawa, hindi nila mag-gets, hindi na makukuha kung ano lang gagawin ko. Sabihin nila, wag kang ganyan. Mali yan.